Let's play with some transforming robots. Today's theme is construction vehicles. Let's do this. Whoa! Our first one is Boulder. Can you guess what construction vehicle Boulder transforms into? Let's find out. It's a bulldozer. Sweet. Whoa! Here's our next one. This is Hoist. Can you guess what construction vehicle Hoist transforms into? Let's find out. It's a flatbed truck. Super cool. Cool. Our next one is Salvage. Let's see what he transforms into. Let's find out. Awesome. It's a garbage truck. How cool is that? Oh, cool! It's Boulder again. I wonder what kind of truck he's going to transform into. Let's find out. Cool! It's a plow, or in this case, a snow plow. Awesome! This is Mortar. Let's see what he transforms into. Let's find out. Cool! It's a cement mixer. Awesome! Very cool. It's Boulder again. I wonder what construction vehicle he's going to transform into. Let's check it out. Cool, he transforms into a dump truck. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, he's a big one. This is Wedge. Let's see what he transforms into. Let's find out. Cool, it's a loader. Whoa, it's Optimus Prime. I wonder what kind of construction vehicle he's going to transform into. Let's find out. It's a truck. How cool is that? Oh my gosh, it's Boulder. Look how big he is. He's huge. Wonder what he's going to transform into. Let's find out. Cool. It's an excavator. Big shovel to pick up stuff. Awesome. This is so cool. We had a dump truck, a flatbed, a garbage truck, a snow plow, a truck, a cement mixer. We had a loader, excavator, and a bulldozer. So cool. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching this episode of Kev's Toy Fun, and I will talk to you soon. Okay, thanks so much. Bye-bye.